Maimo told me he wanted to go on a date with me to have Korean BBQ, but I said,
Sag mal, spinnst du? Ich habe letztens 3 Stunden lang Kimchi gemacht. Mir ist ja das gefälligst daheim.
while cutting the onions, I broke down in tears because my husband told me he forgot to activate the coupons and paid full price for the vegetables. But wie dem auch sei, I managed to calm down and marinated the beef for the barbecue with soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, garlic and onion. I also decided to make those delicious potatoes called kamjajorim, and what I personally like to do is to put them in the air fryer first. In the meantime, I decided to wash the salad, but I noticed that there was noch Erde dran. At first I was very confused, but later I asked myself if the leaves would actually regrow, and because we didn't have samjang at home, I decided to make it myself and kind of freestyle it to match our taste. And after that was done, this happened.
Oh!
For a short moment, my soul decided to leave my body. I guess my white kimchi just wanted to tell me that it's quite fermented now. I put all my different kimchis that I made last time into smaller plates, because pickled side dishes are essential for K-BBQ. And after that was done, I prepared the sauce for my braised potatoes. In a pan, I sauteed onions with my air-fried potatoes, and then added the sauce with a pinch of salt. And finally cooked everything until the sauce sticks to the potatoes. When it comes to the meat and further vegetables, you can actually grill it on the table, but we decided to just grill everything at once in a pan. And so there you have it, Korean barbecue at home. And because it's günstiger, it tastes automatically leckerer. Or not, it depends on your taste. But for us, it was a Geschmacksexplosion. And because the meat was already cooked, we could easily watch K-Drama nebenbei.